This hair just looks so natural. You can't tell me I didn't just get a blowout or a perm and a cut. Like, this wig is gorgeous. Hello, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Lala Living here, and today I'm back again with another hair video. Do you guys like this hair? Comment below right now if you like this hair before we even get started. Like, come on. So this hair was sent to me by ATZ Hair. You can find them on Amazon. I will have them linked below, the exact link to this wig here. I'm gonna work on getting you guys a discount code, so be sure to check inside the description box to see what I post down below. But this hair that they sent me is actually a short straight bob, and this is the 10 inches, and it came pre-plucked. I just added a little, you know, concealer, but keep watching to figure out exactly how I got it like this. But this is the wig that they sent me. I really enjoy this wig. It's really nice. It's so natural looking. It's so free. It's cute. It's effortless. Like, it's just so sexy. And if you guys really enjoyed this hair on me and want to see exactly how you could achieve it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and continue watching. So this is the wig here, guys. This is what I received in the mail. It says A to Z Wigs on it, but on the website on Amazon it did show AZ Wigs. So I'm not sure what's going on with that part of it, but like I said, I was thankful that they sent me some hair, and now I'll be installing it. I do like the package. It's really small. Like, you see, both of my hands could just easily hold this little box. So it's not a big bulky type of packaging, but let's see what all comes inside of it. So when you open it, you lift it up like that, and this is everything. So we have the wig, and they also gave just a little card about their business, and it also came with a hair net. I already have my cap, so I won't be needing this, but I'll hang on to it for later. Okay, so let's see what we're working with. Like I said, I actually never heard of this brand, but they reached out to me, so I'm gonna see what this hair is about. So far it looks really good. It does look like a nice natural dark brown color. It might appear more darker on camera, but in person it definitely has a natural dark brown color. So they had a net on it. They had this stuffing in it, and I think it's really cute. It's really pretty. It's really soft, by the way, too. Okay, I see you, A to Z Hair. So I just want to play with it for a bit, just to see what I'm working with. And shedding, as far as shedding, I don't know if you could see that, but it's just one strand, which is normal because not every hair is going to be sewn completely into the lace. But I like it so far. This is the 10 inch, and I'm really feeling this for the summertime. You know, you want something short. You don't want too much hair on you because it's a hot summer and we're about to be hot girls, so you don't need too much long hair on you. But let's get into it. Inside the wig, it has a comb here, and another comb here, and one in the middle in the center also, so it's 4 combs. As far as the lace closure part, as you can see, it's a net, and then the closure is right here. So this is the hair. I'm actually going to just adjust the straps and make it more fitted to my head so I could get it on, cut the lace, and see how this wig is gonna look on me. I'm so excited, you guys. This was my first time being sent hair, and it feels pretty good, you know. Like, I'm really happy. And I'm just gonna be honest with you guys though, because I don't want you guys to waste any money. But like I said, this is affordable. This does cost about $48.99 on Amazon for the 10 inch. and that's really not bad for human hair. This quality, I like it. I think I did it too tight. Probably gonna be too small. Let me see. Actually, I think I want it like that. So that's it. Okay, I know I'm gonna have to flat iron it out, style it more, but the lengthwise, this is actually really what I wanted. But now we're gonna deal with this lace part. So now that I like the fitting of it, I'm just gonna cut the lace off, and then I'm going to see exactly how it looks. It looks pretty natural so far, but I'm still gonna add a bit of concealer on the part. So let's deal with that. Snip, snip, ho, snip, snip. So I'm just gonna hold it like this. I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna go right across. This is all the lace right here. I'm gonna look at it and see if I wanna cut any more. No, I cut it pretty well. On this side here, it's a little excess, like a little tab. I'm not sure you can see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and just snip that whole too. Okay. I'm gonna put the wig back on. I'm gonna turn on my flat iron, so by the time I fix the concealer and the wig is on, it'll be heated and just ready to go. So we'll put it back on now. Okay, the part is pretty straight, so I'm going to leave it how it is. But what I am going to do is take my concealer and I'm just going to put some on the part. And I don't have my mirror with me, so I'm using my camera as my mirror, you guys, so bear with me. But we're just gonna go straight down. Get it nice and blended and natural looking there. And it's too much forehead out, too much forehead. So this is it here. Something to note about this wig is it doesn't have too much frizzies, like right up in here. Everything is to the same length, so it's no little short parts sticking up that I have to try mousse down or blast spray down. So I really like that, but I'm just gonna go in now and start flat ironing it. Okay, so you guys, it looks really wiggy. I'm not too sure the purpose of this net underneath it, like I told you guys earlier. See, this is what it is. So I'm actually just gonna cut out this black part because it isn't allowing my wig to even lay really flat, and I hate that look. So we're gonna customize it just a little. Just gonna take really by this band part, cut it out some. Okay, I'm gonna take my concealer, guys. Just gonna put some more right there, right along the line. And the wig is pre-plucked, so like as far as the space between the part, I really like it. It's really natural, so that's a plus, you guys. Let's put this wig back on. Okay, it lays a lot better, a lot better. And now what I think I'm gonna do is, just to get rid of this hump part, I'm going to just put a little spray and I'm gonna just tie it down for a few minutes while I still go around and flat iron it completely. I want to make sure I get in the back part, that lump. Just do it down. And this is expected, like with most wigs, because it's being in a package, it's not used to being on a head yet, so you just need to customize it a little bit so it doesn't have a lump. So I'm just gonna do that. I really love the length of the hair, like it's perfect. Not too long, not too short, just perfect. Okay. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. It looks a lot better. It seems to be cut like that though. Like it's not a full 10 all around. I'm not sure if I should bring this back some. So this is it here, guys. I don't know if I need to give myself some baby hair in the front to make it a little bit more realistic for me, because it does still look a bit wiggy. I'm gonna take some of the hair from in the front. And this is really up to you. If you like baby hairs like that, I'm just gonna take some. And I don't even think I'm gonna really cut it. Just going to sweep it across. This is something I do when I also want to sometimes have this clean look. I'm just gonna take some gel, put it right there. Then I'm gonna swoop that around. Swoop. Okay. Remember, this is totally up to you. You don't have to do this, but for me, I like a little swoop. And this is the final wig, you guys. It's actually not bad at all, and the length is perfect. I'm trying to see how it looks behind my ears. It's all right behind my ears, but honestly this wig is really cute. I love the shortness of it, like it's so flirty and short. I'll tie it down more as I go with it, but honestly it's not a bad buy, you guys. Like for under $50, this is a nice style. And like I said, the quality of this hair feels really good. You could style it up like me, you know, maybe you could give it a little curls, but as you can see, this baby hair really did a difference for me, you know. I think so. But tell me if you guys like this wig. It doesn't look bad at all. It looks so natural. It looks like I just left the hair salon and the stylist just gave me a nice little blunt type of cut. This hair is a go for me. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching me style this hair, unbox this hair, and give a little review. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, just comment that down below. Subscribe to my channel so I know that you're interested in more videos from me. and don't forget to give a nice like. Be sure to hit the bell after you subscribe so you know every time I post. That is the post notification bell, and I'll see you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.